Are you seeing there was a connection error code 390 inches, while trying to launch or play Umamusume Pretty Derby on your PC? This error usually points to server connection issues, DNS misconfigurations, or region lock problems. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to fix error 390 and get you back into the race. First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. Solution number 2. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution number 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes.